what is up? It's Jiya. Welcome back to my channel. And do you guys remember from my very second video I told you guys how can you do fake calligraphy, because the irony was that I did not have any brush pen. So now I have them. Yes. Well, it was a gift from my sister that lives in Australia, so a big thank you to my sister Nivedita for gifting me such a cool set of brush pens. Okay, so ever since I got those brush pens, I've been practicing. I got those brush pens a couple of months ago, and since then I've been practicing of all the strokes and all other things that we require when we do calligraphy with brush pens. So, as the title suggests, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how can you do calligraphy this time with the brush pens. So, without further ado, here we go, doing calligraphy with brush pens. Alright, so while working with the brush pens, I may suggest that the deal is in the detail, as well as how you guys apply the pressure and how much you apply the pressure. Like for example, if you made a downward stroke, like I said, we have to apply pressure, like so. And like so. So if we apply the upward stroke, it should be straight and thin. So this was all about the strokes. Now let's start to lettering. But before making the alphabet, we need to know that whenever we apply the downward stroke, then we have to just move it, around a little, and just a thin end we have to give it, like so. Like if we make A, so this is what we're gonna do. Alright, so now let's start the lettering. So let us first write A. As I told you guys before, the downward stroke should be thick and the upward stroke should be very thin. Make them thin as much as you can. Now let's start with the B. Like so. Oh my god, I messed this up. So now I think I'm gonna start over again. Let me catch up with you in a second, guys. Okay, so now let us start with the lettering. So I think that I took this purple marker now because I think that this might, dry up a bit early. So let's get started. I've also kept this black paper right besides me because I'm gonna cover each of the alphabet after making it so that I might not mess this up again. Alright, let's get started. Let's start with A. And now B. I'm going to cover both of them, and now I'm going to write C. Now D. G. So as you guys can see that I'm making the downward strokes way more thick than the upward strokes, because this is the most important part when doing calligraphy with the brush pens, because this makes the whole handwriting beautiful. So always keep this thing in your mind and you're never gonna mess this up like me. Now let's write H. I. Let me cover this. J. K. L. O. P. Q. Let me cover this now. R. S. T. X. Y. Okay, now again I messed this up. Sorry. And Z. Okay, so this was all for today. Go on, like, comment, subscribe, share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified each time I come up with a new video. Also, I almost forgot that I actually changed my Instagram handle that is now given in the description box. So also don't forget to follow me on Instagram too. This was all for today. I'll be back with a new video very soon. Till then, stay happy, stay tuned, practice your brush strokes, and you're gonna slay this for sure. Okay? Bye bye. Kisses till next time.